I'm a guest chef. My name is Sophia, I'm 9 and you're normally here.
I'm Savannah and I'm 5 years old and again I'm normally here.
We picked peas yesterday in the garden, so today we're making crispy Parmesan peas. And I'm going to show you how to take the peas out of the pot. Let's get started! Hooray!
First I'm going to shuck the peas.
Which means taking the peas out of the pod. And I'll show you how to do it. Split the ends off the pea pod. And then gently open it in the middle. And then put the peas into the bowl. To make the peas, pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then mix them together. Okay, be careful, don't get on the table. That's okay, we can wipe it. Oh, later.
Now we're going to put it into
Here, I'll help you. That noise was kind of satisfying. I'm not gonna lie. And she ate some. And make sure it's even. Okay, it's definitely not even. After you make sure it's even, you have to put it back inside the air fryer. We're gonna fry them at 370 degrees for 5 minutes. Then we'll check back in 5 minutes to see how they're doing.
A few moments later.
It's not quite ready yet, so we're going to leave it in there for another 5 minutes.
Moments later.
We're going to check the peas again. They're still not ready yet. We're going to put them back in for 5 more minutes. Because their peas may be different sizes, check it every 5 minutes to see if it's ready.
More moments later.
So we're going to pour the peas onto the pan. I'll take this. Ooh, crunchy. Very.
Ooh, like crunchy.
Kind of feel like marbles. Then we're going to flatten it out. So flatten it out. There, it's flat. And now we're going to get rid of all the excess oil. Gently pat it down and don't accidentally burn yourself. And also don't accidentally crush any peas. So pat it down gently and we take off the napkin and pour it back into the bowl. Okay. Let's go. Oh, without dropping the napkin. Ooh. I like the smell. Hey Savannah, can you put in some Parmesan cheese? 1 spoonful, please. 1 tablespoon. Perfect. That's close enough. Put it in the bowl, please. And time to mix it together. And yeah, I love cheese.
Cheese is delicious.
"12 seconds later.
Ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
Yummy. I love cheese.
Yummy!
I like the smoky and cheesy flavors. Let me see if there's any just... Okay guys, we're not scouring, we're just eating. No, I'm looking for the chip. What? This was really yummy. I like this. Absolutely love cheese. If you like cheese like us, leave a like, please. Or just comment that you like cheese.